All right, so multiplying whole numbers by a mixed number is very similar to a fraction. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to convert everything into an improper fraction. That includes the mixed number as well as the whole number. So 3 5/8 becomes as an improper fraction would be, so 3 times 8 is 24 plus 5, 29/8 times 10 over 1. Okay, so I even made that whole number into a fraction. Right, so now I'm going to go ahead and cross cancel if I can. I can't cross cancel 29 and 1, but I can cross cancel 8 and 10 because 2 is a common factor of both numbers. So 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5, and 8 divided by 2 is going to be 4. All right, so now I have, so that becomes 29 times 5 over 4 times 1. Okay, and so now I'm going to multiply 29 times 5. So 29 times 5, 5 times 30 is 150. I'm sorry, 150 minus, so 5 times, let's see, 5 times 20 is 100. 5 times 9 is 45. So 145 over 4. And then I can't, so I got 145 fourths. I'm going to use division to simplify that. 4 is not an even multiple of 145. I'm going to come over here, 145. 4 goes into 14, 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. 2, 5, 4 goes into 25. 6 times, so 24. Okay, and that's going to be my remainder. And so that's going to be, so in simplest form, 145 fourths would be 36 whole, remainder 1, which is my numerator, and my 4 stays the same. My denominator stays the same. So 36 and 1/4. All right, go ahead. Let's try an extra example. If you want to pause the video, you may do so. Let's go with, where's my pen? I don't know. 6, what's on? Oh, come on. There we go. Let's try 6 times 2 and 4 fifths. All right, if you want to give this a shot on your own, go ahead and pause the video and then resume when you're ready to go over your answer. All right, so step 1, convert everything to a mixed number. I'm sorry, improper fraction. So I have 6 whole times 10, 14 fifths. Okay. All right, step 2, I'm going to cross cancel if I can, and unfortunately I don't have anything to cross cancel, so I'm going to have to multiply my numerator times my numerator, denominator times my denominators. So 6 times 14 over 1 times 5. Okay, so 1 times 5 is pretty easy. 6 times 14, 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 4 is 24. So 60 plus 24 would be 84. Now, I don't. If you can't do the mental math, just do it. You do it on the side. Just do the mental math for the sake of time. So I have 84 fifths, and then that would equal. Okay, so then the last thing I need to do is simplify that. 84 fifths. I can't quite do that in my head quickly. So I'm going to do 84 divided by 5. 5 goes into 84. 5 goes into 8 one time. 3, bring down to 4, goes into 34 6 times. 34. I'm going to add a 0. Actually, I'm doing a fraction, so that's fine to have a remainder. So 16 remainder 4. That would equal 16 whole. 4 is my numerator, and 5 is my denominator. All right. Go ahead and go on to the next section.